In this video, we'll be unboxing the world's cheapest smart cube. Guys, it's here. I've been waiting for this for 2 months and it's finally here. Let's quickly look inside this accessories box. And how do I even open this? Okay, so spare magnets. What is this? Okay, it's all inside the cube, so empty bag. That's okay. GS nuts. GAN pouch, instruction manuals. Yeah, let's get to the cube. My first GAN cube and my first smart cube. That's pretty awesome. Let's open this back. First turns. Let's go. Ooh. It's fast and the magnets are doing its job. They're pretty strong magnets. Let's look at the corner cutting as well. Let me just push all this stuff. It's doing almost 45 degrees, but I don't think it can do 45. No, it can't. And reverse corner cutting is decent, not that great, but I mean, it's a smart cube. That's not its main purpose. Yeah, so let's get it connected to the app. Okay, let's open up the app and see how it connects. Okay. That's awesome. Oh, that's weird. Fine. Okay. That's cool. And that gives you the statistics. That's pretty detailed. It's divided into 4 parts, and F12 is subdivided into 4 more for each slot. That's nice. You can see here the first, second and third F12 pair took approx 2 to 2.5 seconds, and the last pair is 0.2 seconds. I guess that's 3 move insert. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you liked the unboxing and the first impressions of the smart cube. I'm really excited to test this out, and I'll probably cover the app separately in detail later on. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.